Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for western Montgomery County in central Maryland, central Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Leesburg and was moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Lansdowne, Poolsville, Countryside, Rose Island, Boyd's. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park and stay in your vehicle or abandon your vehicle and lay flat